Would you consider that on May 13 that the Senate was under attack?
Oo. My statement was it was under siege. Because you don't enter the Senate just because somebody told you to arrest someone. The Senate, di ba, tripartite, okay, interdependent. Pag linusog mo ang Senado, binabiolate mo yung Republican nature ng ating gobyerno. And then, if you are there to serve a notice, it has to follow the protocol. Which is, sabihin mo kay Senate President, mag-usap kayo. Apparently, there was a miscommunication there kasi nakapasok because of Senator Soto. Tapos, ang sinabi ni Senator Soto, you take it up with the OSA. So hindi ko alam kung ano dun yung totoo. But the fact that you were there and you were serving a notice without passing to the change in leadership, may problema yon. And then when you nung binugbog yung OSA, sa tingin ko yon ang direct intrusion ng NBI sa Senado. Kasi yung OSA tao ng Senado. At hindi mo naman pwedeng gawin yon kahit na, di ba, prevent ang buong OSA to help him. So yun ang nawawala, ang tinitingnan, sinong bumarel, yung warning shot, natural na mag-warning shot. Kahit nga in pursuit ka, may hinahabol ka, mag-warning shot ka. Ito yung sumugod, nandun na sa kabilang pinto.
So, parang yung term na warning, ini-ignore ng NBI.
Tsaka hindi
Sa prosecution ng kaso.
Ngayon, ang idinidiin talaga is that the sinira ng majority, ng new majority, yung buong integridad ng Senado as an institution because of what happened.
You know, that is
Yun ang
wrong. That's for purposes of the headline. This day's headline, shaping the headline is very important.
Yeah.
No? But in that regard, hindi sinira. Kasi sino ba ang proximate cause? Si Bato? Hindi. Talaga namang papasok siya doon. Yun ang habol, yun nakapasok. Ba't mo hahabulin? Diba? So, ako, hindi sinira ng Senado. Ang sumira, sino ba yung proximate cause para pumasok doon? Sa tingin ko, ang sumira dyan yung NBI at saka yung ilang elements ng NBI. Tapos nung natauhan sila, pinapunta nila si Secretary John Vic to assist. It's a different face. From the NBI, kami ang boss dito, kami ang kwan, muscling their way around, and then Secretary Remulla. I think that saved the day. Pino por lo menos, I was listening a while back when you were discussing Secretary Remulla. I think he was fair when he went there. Kaso, nung umalis na at sinabi ang binabantayan yung art ng GSIS, sabi ko, ano mo yun, bumalik na, maganda na sana ang sinabi, di ba? Nandun na siya tumulong. So,
Yeah.
Ang layo nung adjoining door sa GSIS Museum.
Yeah.
Sa babaeng museum.
Hindi ko, alam mo yan talaga medyo nakakatawa yung mga statements na
diba?
yan. Pero,